Hi, Brandon Hall, Plant Manager at Redekop Manufacturing. I'm here today to walk you through our robotic welding cells. As Redekop Manufacturing has expanded over the years, our volumes have increased. We've had to invest in key technologies such as the robotic welding cells to allow us to keep pace and do more with less. The robotic welding cell allows us to produce parts faster with tighter tolerances and a higher repeatability than with a human welder. For instance, the straw chopper rotor, we've moved from 3 rows to 4 rows up to 8 rows of blades now. So this straw chopper rotor has 48 lugs at 4 inches a lug. That's almost 30 feet of weld material that this robot can do in a fraction of the time of an operator. Whether it's a seed control unit, rotor, stator, or a straw chopper rotor, we utilize robotic welding and automation to enhance our speed and get the product to you faster.